Hey Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia Hope, and if you're new here or you're just not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I am currently 1 year and 2 months into my lock journey, and I am learning and flowing with this process. Last year, I got really inspired by Chloe and Halle Bailey, specifically Chloe, because I saw this one particular hairstyle of hers that when I saw it, I was like, oh, what is that? It was this picture right here that I saw that blew my mind, and I was like, that is gorgeous. I love the little wispy pieces she had. It's kind of reminiscent of having goddess locks. And so I played around with putting in wispy pieces in my hair for special events over the past year when I wanted to just have something different than just my plain straight locks. So basically I just fell so deep in love with the goddess lock vibe that I've been trying to figure out how could I put this in my hair semi-permanently. I had an aha moment. Microlinks, sis. Microlinks. Let me show you what I mean. So I went out and got the microlinks, got the little pliers for the microlinks, and I also have a bundle of deep wave human hair eye tips. It means that the tips are kind of like waxed over. Like if you can imagine like a shoelace, how they have a little wax tip, that's what they've done to the ends of these bundles. This is a 50-piece set. The little wispy pieces I used in the past were synthetic, but because I want to use a lot of hair specifically for a trip I'm going on, I did not want to risk it maybe getting tangled, so I made sure to get human hair. I'm going to be using this to add fullness to my hair, create the illusion that my hair is all the same length, because it is not, obviously. Like it looks layered right now, like the top half ends right here, the bottom half is up here. I would love it all to be cohesive, and also just to give me that goddess lock look. These are the little eye tips, and they each have a strand that's about this thick, which honestly might be too thick for my liking, but this is an experiment. We're about to see how this looks. But the idea is that I'm going to basically fill in the gap like so throughout my hair and get it all even in length, and then also have that goddess look. So I'm gonna start by just evenly splitting my hair. So I'm gonna start by trying to gauge how many pieces I'll need to kind of fill in this space right here. So this is 3 pieces. If I were to do that, that does actually fill in the space. So basically like this area right here is where I'm going to start with 3 pieces and see how that works out. So I'm just gonna split this quadrant in half. As you can see, this is the side that's a little shorter than this. It doesn't go all the way down. So I'm gonna wanna basically just fill in the gaps here. I'm lightly twisting this section just so it's out of the way. And now we experiment. So I don't want to use any of the front hair, so I have those clipped to the side. And I also don't want to use one from the top, from this row, the first row from the middle. So if I wear my hair down the middle, you won't see the microlinks. I think I'll start with this one. Why not? I have this microlink tool right here. I'm just gonna put the micro link right on top. So now it's on here. It can just slide up and down. We're gonna take that same lock, do like this so you guys can see. Pull the lock through the hole. And then just bring it down so that this tip is resting on the lock, and bring the bead up. And then pull your lock through. And then you'll be able to take this tool away. Now the bead should be sitting about a ½ an inch away from your scalp. Then you take the eye tip extension and put it right through the bead. I'm gonna put it on the bottom side. I think that makes sense. And once it's on there, you can take your little clampers and just smash it down. And you have your first microlink attached to your lock. I'm on to something. I don't know what it is, but I'm on to it. So I'm gonna do another one, maybe not right next to it. I'm gonna skip one lock and do it again. Take whichever lock that you want to put the microlink on, slide the bead up, and then pull your hair through. And then take the microlink tool off so that you just have the bead about 1/2 inch away from your scalp. Take an I-tip extension and slide it through the bead. Once you have the extension slid through the bead, you can go ahead and just clamp it down. So now I have 2 inserted. That's very, very full, actually. This is my very first time using microlinks, and I must say it's very easy. So as you can see, it's already filling up that area and giving me that goddess lock look. This is purely an experiment, guys, but honestly, I see the vision. I see it coming to life, and I love that for me right now. So I'm gonna wind up cutting this so it's all even for sure. I had to abruptly end filming this tutorial because my baby woke up from a nap and I had to attend to her, but I did want to emphasize that I did this on freshly retightened hair, and I also did a braid out so that the curl pattern matched the same curl pattern as my microlinks. But here's a compilation of pictures and videos that I took of my hair in the wild while I was on vacation, so you can kind of see how it looked. It was very whimsical. Honestly, it was everything that I wanted. It was very, very cutesy. One of the things that I did not anticipate though was that my curl from the microlink would not withstand me swimming in the water. So if you're expecting for this to hold up if you're swimming in the pool or in the ocean, it will not. As you can see, it becomes very, very stringy. However, it was still very, very cute while it lasted. If you try this, let me know. I absolutely love this. Thanks so much for watching. Catch me in my next video. Bye!